In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all transaction in Starbucks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the Starbucks website to view a clear list of your Starbucks card activity, including dates and amounts, using a simple, reliable path that works on both desktop and mobile browsers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Starbucks homepage. You can type the official Starbucks Philippines address directly into the address bar to get there. Give the page a moment to load. You should see familiar sections highlighting beverages, food, and current offers. Don't worry about clicking any menu items yet. We're heading to a different area of the site that contains your Starbucks card information. From the homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Important account and support links are typically housed in the footer, so reaching the bottom is key. Keep scrolling until you spot the section labeled Rewards. This is the hub that connects you to your Starbucks card details and the place you need to access your history. Inside the rewards area, look for the link that says View Transactions and click it. This will redirect you to the Starbucks card portal. Depending on your device or browser, you may see a brief loading screen or be asked to review basic prompts like accepting cookies. If the site asks you to confirm you're on the correct region, proceed and continue. Once the portal opens, you'll be in the right place to review your activity. On the Starbucks card history page, find and select the option labeled All Transactions. This is the comprehensive view that aggregates your activity in one list, so you don't have to jump between different categories or filters. Clicking All Transactions ensures you're seeing the full picture. If you're looking for something specific, you can choose an individual transaction to view its details. This is helpful when you need to check a particular charge or confirm a reload that you recently made. If you simply want the big picture, keep all transactions selected to display everything together without drilling down. Your transactions will now appear with the date and the amount, neatly organized so you can scroll through and review your history at your own pace. Take a moment to scan recent entries and verify that the amounts match your expectations. If the list is long, move steadily and give the page time to load additional entries as you scroll. That's it. You've navigated from the Starbucks homepage to rewards, open view transactions, selected all transactions, and now you can clearly see your activity with dates and amounts. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.